Welcome, in front of me is a Sony Xperia L4 and today I'll show you how to access the recovery mode on this phone. So to get started we will need to power off the device by holding the power key and select power off. And once the device shuts off you then want to hold power key and volume down. So power, volume down, both of them at the same time and hold them till you see the Sony logo. So right now I'm gonna let go. And next thing you should see is Android with no command. So to get past this, hold power key, press volume up once, and we're now in recovery mode. And in here, you will use volume keys to navigate. So volume down goes down and volume up goes up. And as you can see, you can reboot system now, which just goes back to Android, reboot to bootloader, wipe data, mount system, view recovery logs, run graphic test, run a local test, and simply power off the device. Now whatever you select, you will want to confirm it with the power key. So if I want to select reboot system now to leave this mode, I'll press power key to confirm it. And now the device will be rebooting back to Android. And you can see we're back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.